In this video, I'll show you how to create a Trailhead account so you can start learning Salesforce and earning badges on the official learning platform. Begin by opening your browser and visiting trailhead.salesforce.com, which is Salesforce's official training hub for modules, trails, and hands-on projects. On the home page, click Sign Up in the top right corner. You'll see several sign-up options, including using an existing Salesforce account, Google, LinkedIn, or email. Many beginners choose the Salesforce option because it keeps their learning progress connected to their Salesforce identity. After selecting your method, follow the login or verification steps and grant permission if prompted. Once the process is complete, you'll land on your Trailhead profile, where you can begin exploring modules and earning badges at your own pace. Remember that Trailhead accounts are separate from production.org access, so always use safe practice environments for challenges. Subscribe for more clear Salesforce tutorials.